Safari, Safari, you're not going to school this morning? Yes, I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. Just wait on me a little. Just wait on me. I'm fixing my tie. Safari, is who calling you? Mama, Zoom. Don't I tell you I don't want to be friends with those type of people because that girl don't have any manners and respect. Hmm? I tell you when you're going to school, you must go to school by yourself and come back by yourself. Hmm? And leave the friend and company. Friend and company going to lead you astray. You're not listening to me. You're not listening to me. Hmm? Mama, just ease yourself now, mama. It's a nice girl, you know, mama. Just ease yourself now. I mind she hear you. Okay then. Alright. Okay. Alright. You can't hear, you will feel. Hmm? I never wrong on anything that I say and know. Okay. Alright, let me drink my tea, mama. Let me drink my tea now, mama. Mama, you want me to go to school without tea? Me look alright, mama. Mama, me look alright. Hmm? Because as you reach the school gate, teacher tell you so your uniform too short and too tight. And me put on little weight over the summer. Mama. But this not too tight, mama. This not can wear. Mm? The uniform past me knee almost as sweep the ground, mama. Mm? Me look alright? Okay, my daughter, you look alright, you look alright. Alright then, mama, alright. Alright, mama. Mama, later, mama, later. So, mama, you know, give me one money this morning, mama. Mama. Mama, at 2 morning, no, mama, you know, give me no money, no, mama. Or you expect me to reach a school, mama? Mama, mama. Mama, me cannot go to school without money, no, mama. Sometimes me hungry, no, mama. Me need money to go to school, mama. Else me not go. A little tea alone me drink, mama. Little tea me drink, mama. Little tea. Not even piece of bread you never have to give me, mama. Little tea alone, mama. Little so tea you give me. And mama, you expect me to go to school with just a little source of tea, not even piece of bread, nothing at all. You know, I have nothing in the house, mama, because daddy not give you anything. 2 years now, you know, see me father. Mama, they know me get into that, mama. Mama, me a pick me, now, mama. How me get into those things, mama? You know, have it. Mama, me know say you try, you know, mama. Me know say, mama. Me know you try. Me know say little days work you do, you know, mama. Me know, you know, mama. Me know it hard, you know, mama. But, mama, me a girl pick me, you know, mama. Me have to have lunch, mama, man. Because when me see my friend, them a eat, you know, mama. It look bad for me, mama, man. Mama, you have to find a way. Mama, mama, find a way, yeah, mama. Come, mama. The other day, me see me not even want to say nothing, because me not want you to say me out of there, mama. But, mama, me still have to tell you. Mama, me still have to tell you, yeah, mama. Me still have to tell you. Mama, me tell you something. And the other day, me saw a man, you know, mama. And the man a tell me, say me look nice, you know, mama. And I tell me say, he will give me money, you know, mama. Mama, mama, me I tell her because true, you are my mama, you know. I'm here, you talk good, you know, mama. Me can't tell you anything, you know, mama. Mama, me can't tell you anything. Mama, me not even want to say nothing, you know. Mama, now that you talk, me have to tell you, you know, mama. My friend I tell me say, me can't talk to him to get extra money. Like how me nah get no lunch money, you know, mama. But mama, true me know all your work hard. And it hard, you know, mama. Me no want to get myself in a trouble because you want me, you know, you want me. And mama, me really want to lift up my head, you know, mama. Mama, me really want to hold up my head. Mama, me no want to struggle when me come like you, you know, mama. Me no want to cook, mama. Mama, yes, it is, mama. I'm a friend. I'm a friend, boyfriend by GR. And she'll tell me, say, you see, mama, the man will buy me one too. But mama, mama, me really no want take you, know, mama. Mama, me really no want take it, cause me know say you go ask me which part me get it from, and me can't come in a house with nothing where you not give me. Mama, mama, look from when me a beg you alone like a phone, mama. Eh? And when you then it has on cheap phone I sell. And mama, you tell me say me not ready for phone yet. And you don't have money for buy food because you can't hardly find money for buy food. Mama, all of my friend I'm phone, you know, mama. All iPhone, you know, mama. iPhone Pro Max and all sort of things. Mama, me not live good, yeah, man. Mama, me not live no good life. Me not even go to school this morning, yeah, man. Me not live no good life, yeah, man. Me take it to heart this morning, mama. Mama, me can't go this morning. A 2 morning now, me go without money. I may feel so bad. Mama, me can't go this morning. Mama, me not go this morning. You hear, mama? Pitney, Pitney, come at me sit down and talk with you. You hear? Let me hold that talk with you. You come, me Pitney, come. Sit down, sit down. Let me sit. Listen to me. I know it is very hard. It is very hard on me to look after you. But remember, sir, five I wouldn't me have to look after. Five I wouldn't. And it is not easy because of no father not sending anything. For the past 2 years, your father don't turn up with anything. Is the other day I hear say him get married and his wife pregnant. So the little days work when me I do, I 2 day a week me go. Me I try my best to see if me can get something else in this coming year. Any little thing, anything me can get for do. Anything, anything, because me want to see you come to something good. Me no want to know if you come struggle. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my very best. I mean, know say you're bright, you know. I mean, know you're bright. Cause teacher talk all the while about the haze, them way you get. Teacher been talking about the haze, them. Sister Cassie, Sister Cassie, Mama. Mama, mama, you, you come and I call you there, mama. Oh, are you? Good morning, my darling. Good morning, good morning. So are you now? What happening? You are run go down a town? You stop by to give me something? Thank you very much a year. Thank you very much. Because me just a consider when me I get money give pitney them for go to school. Thank you a year. Me I tell you say God is always on time. It's good to serve the Lord. It's good to serve the Lord. God is always on time. So she take off all her clothes and put up the bag so she never go to school. But put on back your clothes and come go on to school. Because me know when end of year exam come, your result no good. Thank you, year man. Thank you. And have a blessed day year. And be safe when you're going to town. Yes, thank you. All right, year. Thank you very much. God always on time. Yes. Please to like, subscribe, and share, please. And thank you. Very informative. Trying to make a difference over here, okay?